Hill People Culture Forum holds a review meeting at Forest Ivy Taralangso Diphu. The meeting was presided by Legend England Chairman of HPCF and Dheeraj Diphu, Secretary General HPCF, proposed the object of the meeting. HPCF consists 24 cultural troops along with their social organizations which to promote peace, harmony and diversity among the people of Caribbean. The meeting was discussed for the forthcoming events of cultural exchange targeted Kalakhetra, which will be performed the cultural events in the presence of Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, Professor Jagdish Mukhi, Governor of Assam, along with the Honorable Chief Executive Member, Caribbean Autonomous Council Dr. Tuliram Ronghang.